Hello everybody, welcome to our new YouTube channel, the iPhone Basics. Today we're gonna show you how to set up a passcode on iPhone. Here we have an iPhone 5S with the latest release of iOS 8. First what we need to do, tap on icon settings, then we scroll down to Touch ID and passcode, and here we have the Touch ID, but more on that later. We scroll down and we see turn passcode on. We press here and we enter a 4-digit passcode. I will use 4 zeros, 3, 4. We have to re-enter it. And the passcode is set. Now let's check if it works. We lock the iPhone. Now we unlock it. Slide to unlock. And we have to enter the passcode. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it works. Now let's go back in the settings. Touch ID and passcode, and now we have to enter the passcode 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we scroll down and we see some options here. It says require passcode. We enter here, we have immediately after 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour and 4 hours. The best choice is to use immediately because it's more secure. The second option here is simple passcode. That means we can use only 4-digit passcode. If we turn it off, we have to enter our old passcode, and now we can choose a longer passcode with letters and numbers. I will go with QWE and 1, 2, 3. We go next, type again 1, 2, 3, go, and let's check it out now. Unlock it, slide, and now we have a keyboard here. I will enter the passcode 2, 3. We have to hit done, and the iPhone is unlocked. We go again in settings, we go Touch ID and passcode, enter the passcode again 2, 3. For me it's better to use a passcode only with numbers. Let's check how it looks. We go to change passcode, we enter the old one, hit next. Now we have to enter a new passcode. Now we go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hit next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we hit done. We go back, we lock the iPhone, we unlock it, and now we have a keyboard only with numbers. For me that's better. We enter the passcode, we press OK, and the passcode works. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like it, and tell us what you think about it in the comments below. And if you have any ideas or wishes for tutorials, please write in the comments below, or you can simply contact us through our blog, theiPhoneBasics.blogspot.com. Thanks again, until tomorrow.